How about some American muscle trucks, man? Look at this F150 high boy. Wow. Really nice. Frame off restoration. Super Swamper TSLs. Just beautiful. Really, really nice. Paint job. It's like a burnt orange. Just beautiful. Look inside the bed.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. There's orange and black Chevrolet. Love the colors, man. My Harley would look good in the back of this thing. Orange and black. That's badass. Wow. Congratulations on your win, man. Looks like you put a lot of work in this thing. Stunning. Ready to head to the beach with the rag top, man.
Huh?
Ready to head to the beach with the rag top.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Nice truck. Congrats on your win. A little small block in there, I think. Wow. That thing sounds badass. Look at this one. Wow. Congrats on your win, man. That thing's beautiful. Holy shit, look at this thing. Absolutely fucking gorgeous. Dual exhaust. Wow. This thing's got massive curb appeal. Wow. Nicest truck here. Fucking beautiful. Look at that thing. Holy shit. I'm in love. That truck is stunning. 65. Year I was born. Holy shit, that is beautiful. One after the other, all beautiful. You guys got the convertible. You're ready to go to the beach. Good to go. Nice. Look at that thing. Wow. Really glad I came. You just don't see trucks like this every day. Hell no. Even that frame and everything on this thing. Just stunning. Look at the grill on the 65 is just ridiculous. So badass. Hell yeah. Rev that engine. Hell yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
God bless America.
Look at this Chevy, huh?
Beautiful. Love the colors. Harley colors. Is that a 429 in there?
427.
Sounds awesome.
How you doing, Ken?
Jerry said this thing's a real runner.
Yeah, really good.
Beautiful. I love it.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I do. How you been?
Good.
You still down at the shop, right?
I'm down in the Jerry's now.
Cool. Cool.
I went to Sarah.
Yeah, I knew you were at Jerry's. He told me.
I love it.
Is that hood handmade or custom made?
It's stock, ultralight.
It's just freaking awesome. What a cool car. So was this a factory custom with the big motor? Or?
No, it originally was a 390 car.
390?
But
I love the paint on it, so you don't have to worry about it. You can go out and have a little fun with it. Beautiful car. Enjoy.
Take care, Ken.
Wow. Man, that sounds healthy. That's heavy American metal right there. Enjoy your ride.
Keep the rubber side down.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's a functional tack in the hood there? Or? You got a tachometer in the hood. Hell yeah. Have a great day.